Welcome to our tutorial on scraping dynamic websites using Playwright in Python. Playwright's async API allows us to interact with dynamic content loaded via JavaScript, making it essential for modern web scraping. Let's dive in. First, let's set up our environment by installing Playwright and its dependencies, ensuring we're ready to scrape dynamic websites. Now that Playwright is installed, we'll use the async API to launch a browser and navigate to our target website. It is a test website that is commonly used to showcase a dynamic data extraction. Next, we'll wait for the dynamic content to load on the page using Playwright's async API, ensuring we interact with fully loaded elements. With the content loaded, let's extract the quotes and authors from the page using Playwright's async API. We are looking for texts and authors for quotes at the target web page. Some websites use infinite scrolling to load more content. Playwright can handle this by scrolling down the page and waiting for new content to load. This particular website also uses dynamic loading using scroll, so we can observe more quotes extracted now. This particular scrolling technique is implemented using custom.js in the browser context. After scraping, we can save the data to a CSV file for further analysis. Let's do that now and store the data. We won't observe a CSV file in the code, but we can see that the log message appeared. The newly saved CSV would contain a CSV table with 2 columns. The next sample shows how to use dynamic web page extraction techniques together with pagination. It is a common approach that avoids using long browser sessions for web scraping. As a result, we can see all the quotes extracted from the paginated website's response. It is also a significant thing to make sure that your web scraping script can handle errors correctly. With this sample, we can observe proper error handling. It's an essential part for each production-grade web scraper to properly handle its corner cases. Some data can also be extracted directly from the API endpoint, so there would be no need for HTML parsing and data cleaning. All the extracted data came to us without the need to parse it or perform any additional transformations. Finally, we need to properly close the browser to free up resources. Let's do that now. In conclusion, Playwright provides a robust solution for scraping dynamic websites in Python. Whether dealing with JavaScript-rendered content, infinite scrolling, or API-driven data, Playwright handles these challenges with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.